ChatGPT is an AI tool designed to chat with you. It's like having your personal assistant, ready to provide information, answer questions, and help with numerous queries. ChatGPT responds on the spot to your frequently asked questions in clear, written form. ChatGPT is useful in drafting detailed articles and posts, emails, letters, and applications, generating titles for articles. ChatGPT is there to summarize articles, podcasts, or presentations, making your life simpler. ChatGPT can convert complex topics more simply. Interview preparations. Resumes preparation and cover letters. It generates video scripts, compose music. Play games. Solve math problems. It generates codes and converts codes from one language to another language. It can be used for educational purposes for getting information about some topic or subject.